Talk to me about power in South Korea and businesses in particular.
Sure.
Who runs everything?
Well, it's not just a single who, it's several who's, several very big, powerful families. Now, you've heard of these companies' names, Samsung, Hyundai, LG. These are South Korea's largest companies, all of them led by family dynasties.
They're known as the Chaebols, a handful of family-run companies whose value make up around 80% of South Korea's economy.
Over here, we have Lee Jae-yong. He is the chairman of Samsung.
Others include the Chae family, owners of SK, the Shins of retail empire Lotte,
He is 70, I believe.
the Koos of
He's the
LG,
youngest of the CEOs.
and the Chung family of Hyundai.
When it comes to automobiles, ships, even tanks, this is the man that you want to talk to.
Of course, the Chaebols didn't appear out of nowhere. Back in the 60s, the government was broke but desperate to industrialize. So they took out huge loans from abroad. But rather than spread those millions of dollars around, it went to a select number of small family-run firms with strict instructions.
And the government said, okay, so we're going to give you this money and we're going to give you tax breaks. In exchange, we want you to align your corporate interests with national interests and sell and manufacture what we tell you to.
Ships, cars, electronics, whatever they could sell to the rest of the world. Samsung went from selling dried fish and noodles to making washing machines and TVs. And LG made toothpaste before producing Korea's first radio.
That is quite strategically genius. It's not quite capitalism. It's sort of like
State-led capitalism.
Right.
Exactly.
State-led capitalism.
Concentrating so much economic power in the hands of so few was one hell of a gamble. But it worked. South Korea's GDP went from $4 billion in 1960 to almost 2 trillion today.
That's in the span of a generation. Because they are so concentrated and single-minded in their focus, they were able to achieve basically miracles.
From transport to technology, retail to real estate, the influence of the Chaebols is everywhere.